What's up, my people? It's your boy Nick, HOUTX Trader, right here in Houston, Texas, guys. Today, we're going to look at 30. We're going to look at Nasty Nas. We're going to look at Goldie, and we're going to wrap it up. It's going to be a short video, so please stick around to the end. If you like anything that I say, please do me a favor and hit that big old thumb and hit that subscribe button. Also, want to say special thanks to My Flash Funding, who, as you know, helps sponsors this channel, and we will be giving away a free $10,000 funded account. Perhaps this Thursday. I haven't made up my mind yet, but more than likely on Thursday because I'll be out of town most of next week in sunny Florida. You know how we do. So let's share this screen really quick. We are going to make a quick video tonight because nothing's changed, guys. But I did want to make a video to just check in with you to let you know that I'm still here and all that good stuff. So real quick, Dirty 30. All right. If you have your trend line here, it broke. If you have your trend line here, it broke. As you can see, the trend line has broken to the upside, which is not a big deal. I'm not a trend line trader, but just keep that in the back of your head. Obviously, you could have also said that this was structure and this broke right there. So there's more than one reason I think this is going to buy up. I was reading some analysis earlier this morning, and other people are thinking the bulls are going to step in and the bears just don't have enough juice. But as of right now, I'm at least going to play these shorts until we hit down to this trend line or we fill in this wick down here, and then maybe reversal up. Okay. But then we'll also leave a runner just in case it wants to melt on down even further. So here's the deal. What do? We are a Fibonacci people. So I'm a Fibonacci trader. I draw my Fibonacci top to bottom. Now, I will admit that normally I had my Fibonacci right there. And when I had my Fibonacci right there, as you can see, I entered on the 88.6. Now, thinking about it, going back and looking, I think perhaps my Fibonacci should have been right there. And now if we look at that, the reason being 61.8 being rejected, like being held, right? The 50, these little areas, this little area here, this little area there, right? The 382 there, and the 236. So, like all of these areas, I mean, just look at how good these areas are being respected. If I draw this over a little bit further, that looks to me like this is the proper area for the Fibonacci. So, my first Fibonacci was not in the best spot there. Okay. So let's just clean this up just a little bit. Let me delete all this stuff. Okay, there we go. So this is what I believe. The liquidity has been taken here and here, and also it is finding this area here as resistance, okay, for this double top. So we're playing the double top, but keep in mind that your new 88.6 is sitting right up here. So it could be very possible that this is going to give us a quick handle up, maybe a wick up, close below somewhere in this zone, and then we start to sell off. So it could do one last liquidity sweep. Therefore, my stop loss is above that 88.6. And at this video, I might give it just a few more pips just to be on the safe side. But it's been stalling out for the last couple of days. Again, like you guys know, I say that Monday and Tuesday is a continuation of Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, it kind of does one of these guys. And then depending on what news is, it'll go. So it could pop off or it could sell down. But news is on Thursday. So if we are correct with our analysis, news on Thursday will drive this market down and everyone will be happy and we will be in a winning trade. So, but for the time being, nothing's changed. We're still in the trade. And this is what happens when you play with these time frames and when you play these higher probabilities, sometimes it takes a day or two. And so as you can see, we're basically at break even. We're not over leveraged. We're not stressed. Not a big deal. Okay, that's US 30. Nothing's really changed in the last 2 days. Same thing for Nas, guys. Same thing. So again, my original fib was probably from here to here. Okay. You see the sell zone. It can be tightened up just a bit. Sell zone there. I got in a bit early on this 78.6. I figured might as well be a 2 or 3 pips early rather than 2 or 3 pips late and miss the trade. So I got in a bit early. That's my stop loss there, which is a pretty healthy stop loss. I'm not technically going by my rules. If it was my rules, my stop loss would be up here. But I'm putting it right there. Just because, it's above the 61 point extension. Again, if we're measuring the second leg of the Elliott, first leg, second leg, this is now making the third leg. This second leg, when you Fibonacci this second leg right here, the 61.8 extension is then right there, which is by the 88.6 on the reversal side. So perhaps this will want to come up just a bit higher, hit this area, and then sell off in reverse. Again, we are overbought on the RS side. This is a 2-hour, not quite divergent there, but on the 1 hour we are. If you guys know that my strategy is divergent on the 1 hour, and you could like to see if you can get a 3-touch. Let me just delete this. And you kind of do have a 3-touch. 1, 2, 3, right? Right there. And look at 1, 2, 3 on the oversold. So I think we're good to go on that front. Again, nothing's changed. We're in sells right about in this area here. And my stop loss is right there. My take profit then is probably going to be in this 382. I don't know if I'm going to hold it all the way down for here. We'll have to cross that bridge when we get there. But I mean, strategically, you'd want to see this get taken out. These lows here, right? It's this double bottom. Let me zoom in just a bit for a little bit of clarity. You want to see those double bottoms get taken out, and perhaps even this one, while it holds this area here for support, right? So you want to see something come down and do one of these, all right? But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. I mean, it's this late in the game. We might just take that and get our payout on our deal and be done. Gold. Okay, so here's the deal, guys. I took 2 entries on gold. As you guys, if you're following my social media, I took a trend line break entry and I targeted the double top, which is right here. And that's what I did. And I took my profit. I got out of there. Okay. I should have left the runner, but I just didn't like the way the price was going. And I said, screw it. I'm just going to take this profit where it is. Now, if you also see, if we fib this top to bottom, you know that we played the 78.6 on gold. And look, guys, it hit perfectly, right? I tell you guys 78.6 for a reason. You could not draw that up any cleaner. Perfect wick, right to a rejection, right to a sell-off. Here's the problem. I just don't like the way this is happening. This is obviously consolidation, and it's to do 2 things. It's to buy up or it's to buy off, right? When I took this sell right there, I got out of it, and I said, you know what? I took my pips. I'm good. I'm not trying to be greedy. I did initially move to break even, but then, it just won't go. It's just not leaving. So instead of playing 50-50, I just said, let me just take this money and be done. Like I'll wait and I'll come back and find another trade on Goldie. I'm good with the buy and the sell. I hit it both times, so we're good to go. There's no reason to be crazy. All right, guys, that's basically it. That's a quick down and dirty of what I'm doing. Let me go back, just a quick review. I'm selling US 30 basically right here, right at the top of this area, 78.6. You see it. That's my sell zone, guys. As you know, we sell in the 78.6 to 88.6 zone. Normally with US 30 and NASDAQ, we wait for the 88.6. I did, however, get in a bit early. But I am selling and I'm holding it. All right. Same thing for Nasty Nas. It is right in our zone. Hasn't quite hit the 88.6 or the 236 extension, but we are knocking on the door. And so I took the sell. All right. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks again for watching my videos. Remember, guys, I don't sell anything. So if you get a message from somebody saying I'm trying to sell a course, I don't need to. And for all those people who want to go and sign up for someone else's educational program, if they're such good traders, then why do they need your money for some BS? Why don't they just do what I do and give this knowledge out for free because they're such a damn good trader? They should be making millions of dollars and all this shit by themselves. Why do they need your money? I don't need your money. All I ask for is you hit subscribe. That's it. And if you don't like what I say, then don't watch. It's all good. No big deal. It's free. Okay, guys? Have a blessed day. All right. Good luck trading. If y'all have any questions, please hit me up. Please check out the socials. Please buy a Bored Ape Solana Club. And that is it. Later.